right, I got these Bosch Icon wiper blades. I have a 2001 Chevy Silverado Bubble Eye in front of me, and we're gonna get the wiper blades swapped out. So obviously you need 2 of them. Now these are 22A, so these are 22 inches long, and they fit on the Bubble Eye here. Real easy to get installed. Getting the old ones off is the hardest part. Getting the new ones on is easy. You just have this clip right here and you press it down and then you slide it on there. You know, I'll show y'all real quick here. Let me go ahead and see what it's gonna take to get these old ones off. I can't, hold on. There we go, we got them off. So to get the new ones on, we need to slide them on like this right here. So this got this little hook, just hooks right in there. So there you go, the hook's in there like that. I should be able to pull it. Yep, right there, clip it, done. Easy peasy. So, those look really good. I'm gonna do the other side. We'll see how they're looking. All right, so let's take 2 seconds here before I put the other one on here. It has this bow shape to it. It's got a nice spring to it so that it always forms to the window. I'll show you what I'm talking about up here. Just like this, you can see it kind of bends and forms to the window. These have a very good performance in the rain. I really like them. Obviously, that's why I'm putting them on this truck. And the rubber material on here is real nice. You know, it really squeegees all the water off the windshield well. There we go. I turned them on for a second. Oh yeah, they're gliding real nice. Come on. Oh yeah, those will work the treat. All right, there we go. We got those windshield wipers on there. Doing great. Forming to the window. Can't wait for it to rain for me to test them out. But I've used them before, so I know they work great. I'll check you out on the next Chevy truck video. Don't forget, drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Later.